Alright, so peep game. For the next build, we're gonna call this the Side Hustle and Bustle PC. Price ranges from $850 to $900. This is for people that want a game, and maybe you also want to get into streaming, editing. You feel me? So look, the CPU on this one is a Ryzen 7 7700. For your GPU, you want the RTX 4060 Ti, 16 gigabyte. Then with the RAM, 32 gigabyte DDR5 RAM. But for the storage, you want 1 terabyte. And then obviously for this, when it comes to the case, all the cases, make sure you get a case that has good airflow, good size.